Hi there. Are you addicted to HGTV and dreaming of owning a home of your own? Do you want to buy a home but have no idea where to start other than searching on Zillow and Realtor.com? You are not alone. And then there's the questions about money. How do you get the money for a down payment? And how much do you really need? Are there grant programs or down payment assistance program options out there? What happens when you end up in a bidding war for the home you fell in love with? Are there tricks and strategies to help you win the home you love in a bidding war? Oh my goodness, inspections. They sound so scary sometimes. How do you know what to do then? And how do you select a great real estate agent to negotiate for you so you can win the home that you love? We've got answers to all of these questions and a lot more in our free home buyers workshop. This is your chance to learn everything you need to know about buying a home step by step. We'd love for you to join us and bring a friend. Let's make the dream of owning a home a reality for you. We'd love to see you. It's a very casual environment, lots of question and answer, and we would just be so delighted to have you join us. Thank you.